Okay, so my fault on that one. But okay, so let's take. Oh, shit. How do we put? Like, do I just need to? This is hard to do with one hand. Okay, one rice at a time. I should just put all of it. Fuck it. And then take some of this.
Okay, so you class of 2025?
Yeah.
Sure.
Or no, yeah, I'm 25. Cause next year I turn 18, and this year's 2023. Next year I turn 18. So I turn 17 this year. So next year's junior year. So 2 years from now, yeah, 2025. Okay, so we got that, that crazy combo, but also, oh shit.
Guys, I don't know what shoes I should wear.
Where are the Jordans? Gotta fucking jerk off the fucking ketchup, feel me? And then you gotta open the ketchup, and then gotta pour the bitch. Yeah, pour that shit. Yeah. Okay. And that what,
In a ketchup
and
or
that right there is what you call a W breakfast. That right there is a
You're
W.
having breakfast at 3 p.m.?
Chill. Okay, well.
Shit.
Oh yeah, also you gotta have the medicine too. Feel me? You have to have the medicine. But let's do a taste test. Do a taste test.
I was doing a taste test.
Do a taste test. I should have probably made more eggs.
Cash, we want to see your beautiful face.
You are. They do in the other camera.
No, wait, Cash, no. Oh, wait. Oh.
What?
Wait, I was recording your profile picture.
You're what? Were you recording it the wrong way?
I was recording the pro. I just saw your profile picture like 5 minutes.
Oh my god, Marshall, you're so weird.
That was like only 5 minutes. What is that stuff?
What?
Like, what is that? Yeah. The crackers?
Yuri, tell him what it is. Tell him what it is.
That's what?
Bam, bruh. Are you
I
stupid?
don't know. Wait, is that the hot sauce thing?
Ketchup, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You put ketchup on rice and eggs? Oh,
Yes.
You don't know what being Filipino is like, bro.
Yeah, you don't know what being Filipino is like. Yeah.
Bro, you're supposed to put. Okay, this is one hot sauce.
This is really normal. No, this is super normal in the Philippines.
It has a rooster logo. It's supposed to be like. You're supposed to put that.
So you're stupid.
Marcel, you just don't know the Filipino ways. Marcel, if you tried this, it's so good. Marcel,
Yo.
give me a number from 1 to 24.
24.
24 is your number?
Yeah.
Alright. A, B, C, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, X.
Bro, you good?
Wait, is there 26 letters in the alphabet?
What is bro saying?
Is there 26 letters in the alphabet?
Hold up. How many letters? Oh, no. Yeah, 26.
Alright, give me a letter from 1 to 26. Give me a number from 1 to 26, I mean.
7.
G. Who do I know that starts with G? Gianna. You know, if y'all don't know what that is, basically, when you bite, like when you're eating and you bite like your mouth or something, basically, if you ask someone what's a letter between 1 to 26, and then they pick a letter, and whatever letter, whatever, like, and they pick a number, and then whatever number it lands, and whatever, let me restart. Basically, when like my family, when you bite your mouth or something, right, when you're eating, you ask someone, what's a number between 1 to 26, right? And they pick a number, random number, right? And then after that, you just do your ABCs until you get to that number. And then once you get to that number, whoever the first person, whatever letter, once you get to that number, whatever letter it is, whoever is the first person you think of that starts with that letter, thought about you. That's what that means. That's what that means. So, it's pretty chill.
Wait, guys, can you explain the whole thing again? Oh my god, I love when Cash eats.
You're trolling, bro.
The way you eat is so cute. Oh my god.
Am I being threatened?
Cash, you actually look really hot.
Thank you, Marshall.
I gotta get that beanie.
Yeah. It's an American Eagle beanie. That was a good breakfast.
I mean, okay, do you ever drink milk and cereal?
What?
Like milk and cereal for breakfast?
Do I ever drink milk and eat cereal?
Yeah, for breakfast.
No, I eat the cereal and the milk at the same time.
No, but do you ever like eat cereal for breakfast?
No.
Is that common?
I haven't done it in a while.
I think it's getting old.
Hold on. Let me check my pantry. Let's check. Y'all ready to check? Oh shit, I do have Cocoa Puffs. Oh shit. That's chill.
What's the Cocoa Puffs?
I do. I didn't even know. That's really it. I hope you guys enjoy. Feel me? So, you got any last words?
Hey, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm finna be back tonight.
You finna be back tonight. I'm finna stream tonight. Gotta check it out. Check that shit out. Check that shit out. Feel me? But yeah. One day we finna make it. One day we finna get to 1 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, feel me? We gonna be the top of the world. You just gotta wait, bro. You just gotta wait, feel me?
You gotta keep grinding.
Gotta keep grinding, but yeah, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, subscribe to my main channel, by the way. Quality uploads, really nice uploads. But yeah, alright, bye.